Hello, I'm Bob Bourgeois, and today we're going to make a simple digital badge similar to the one that you see right here. I began creating this badge by setting up my artboard. Next, I selected the rounded rectangle tool. I chose a fill color that I thought would look good, along with a stroke color. I knew that I would want my stroke a little bit larger than a 1-point weight, so I set it to 4 points. When I was ready, I clicked, held the Shift key down, and drew out my rounded rectangle for the background. Once I had the background, I was ready to begin putting in my content. I came back over to the Shape tool and I selected the ellipse. I began by holding down the Shift and drawing out a perfect circle. However, I want the fill to be yellow, so I came down and I swapped the stroke and the fill colors. By going to the Move tool and holding down the Alt key, I made a duplicate, grabbed the corner, held the Shift down so it would stay in scale, and made the next circle a little bit smaller. Once I had the circles in place, I was ready to add my text. I selected the Text tool, clicked in the middle, typed in what I wanted to use, then I went to the Move tool, grabbed the eyedropper by pressing I, clicked, and that stroke is a little too heavy, so I lowered that down to 1. I also made that a little bit larger so that it would stand out in the middle. After entering the rest of the text, I used the Transform and Align tools to neaten it up and make it look a little bit better. I then used File, Export for Screens, and selected a PNG format to finish this badge. I hope this tutorial helps you get started on making some badges of your own.